So the last thing I got left down here, house is gone. I just got to finish hauling this wood to the burn pile, and this trash needs to go in the dumpster up here. And it made sense to put the dumpster up there to put the house in, so gotta just track it up there. It's gonna take a few minutes, but there's only a few, however many hand or grapplefuls there. It'll be all right. So hopefully we can get the dumpster filled up here, and then another night we're gonna finish hauling this stuff. There's only a couple piles left. A giant pile of metal, which is mostly appliances, and the deck. I took the deck off 2 weeks ago, and that's the only thing left here. Still some stick piles down there, but those don't really count. The dumpster is pretty much full. I got a few more things here and there to put in there, but for the most part, that's done. But this place is looking awesome, finally. When I drive by, I'm not gonna see just straight garbage everywhere, so. There's still some more picking up to do here in the grass, but that's okay. All the big piles are gone. Just gotta load that up, but running out of daylight here. But this looks way better over here. Tracked that up to the dumpster. Took a lot of trips, more than I wanted, but we got it done. And then that was metal in there, so we put that in the metal pile. But a little bit left and we'll be all done. Yahoo! Well, we're gonna finish picking up the last pile here. Grandpa and Dad spent today cleaning up the metal pile over there. So I got 2 piles of brush and this pile of deck. It's really windy out, I can't be outside and talk to you. But it's really nice today other than the wind, but the last 2 days we've had really heavy rain, so it's pretty wet. So hopefully we can get the truck over here. Should be able to stay up on the high ground over there and load it up a few times. Definitely probably gonna have to carry those branches up, but we'll see. Well, I got the wood pile picked up and the other stick piles, and there was a big pile of dirt here. I spread out the first part of it because it was no good, and this part was pretty good, so I saved it up, took it up to my house in the dump truck. But just spread out the rest of this little bit here, and then I got to come down and pick up the blocks that are out in the front and the trash can and the few shovels we left, and I'm going to set the I-beams up so that we can pick them up with the tractor sometime, and there'll be nothing left down here except for grading out a few things and mowing. But awesome stuff happening here tonight. This project's going to be all done. Well, this looks really good here. Leveled out, and like I said, it's all picked up. Finally. Yahoo. Just got to do some after shots, and this place is all cleaned up. It's a good project to have over. It was a good project worth doing, I feel like. You know, this is nice to have. Literally the last thing left down here is this pile of blocks, so I'm gonna get them picked up. Yahoo. Well, it was a really good last evening. I got a few loads of dirt hauled up to my yard. The rest I leveled out up there. I got the stick piles picked up. Dad and Grandpa took that earlier today, and finished picking up the deck that was on the house. So then I got the blocks over here. So I picked it all up finally. Other than, you know, picking up the trash that's out there and little raking and leveling. This project is done, and it's awesome that it's all done. It looks way better down here, and smells way better too. Excited for it to be done. Time to move on to more fun things. Although this was fun at times, and stupid at times too.